everyone, so today's video is on cute hairstyles that I've seen a lot on Instagram and TikTok, so I really hope you like it, and let's get into it. So to create this first look, I'm starting by spraying the Mark Hill Style Addict Heat Protection all over my hair to protect it from the heat. Next, I'm taking the Mark Hill Pick and Mix wand handle and attaching the medium curl barrel to it, and you can change the barrel to loads of different ones they have available, so you can get so many different looks just using one wand, which is so good. So I'm just picking up a section of hair a similar width to the barrel and wrapping the hair behind the wand, holding it for a few seconds, then letting go, and it'll give you these really nice loose curls. I'm just carrying on doing the exact same thing all the way around my head so that all of my hair is curled. Next, I'm running through the curls with my fingers just to open them up, and then I'm taking the anti-humidity frizz control spray just to finish off the look and smooth any flyaways. Finally, I'm putting on this very cute glitzy headband, and then that is it. Now onto the next look. I'm taking a section of hair at the top of my head on one side of my middle parting, making sure I leave a few strands out, and gathering that up into a ponytail position. I'm taking a hair elastic and pulling that halfway down the hair, then picking the rest of the hair up and twisting it into a bun shape. So now I'm going to do the exact same on the opposite side, leaving a few strands out near the front of my face. So pulling the elastic halfway down, then picking the ends up and twisting it into a bun. Next, I'm just opening the buns up slightly with my fingers. You can add some hair grips to keep them in place if you feel like you need to. Now I'm taking the Mark Hill Taming polish and just running that all over the hairstyle, especially over the strands near the front of my face, just to make the hairstyle look neater, and then that is the second look. Look 3 is great for second day curls. I'm starting by making sure my hair is in a middle parting by using my comb and measuring up from my nose. Then I'm gathering all of the hair back into a low ponytail position just below my ears and then securing it with a hair tie. And I'm just pulling at some strands in the ponytail to lift it up. Next, I'm pulling out some strands of hair near the front of my face just to frame it a little bit. And then I'm taking a strand of hair from underneath the ponytail and just wrapping that around the base of the ponytail to cover the hairband, and then gripping that in place with a hair grip underneath the ponytail so you can't see it. Finally, I'm taking the Extreme Freezehold hairspray and spraying that all over the look so it stays in place, as well as taking some of the Taming polish just to flatten any flyaways, and then that is it. So for this look, I'm starting again with a middle parting in my hair, and this time taking a section of hair on one side and splitting it into 3 equal sections. So I'm taking the section on the left and placing it under the middle one. Then I'm taking the right strand and placing it under the middle one. Then I'm taking the section on the left and placing it under the middle one. Then taking the right section, but this time picking up some strands of hair which weren't in the original 3 sections, so just from the side, and adding it to it. Then you want to do the same on the left section, so add some hair to it and then place it under the middle section. then add some hair to the right section and place it under the middle section, and then you just want to repeat that until you run out of hair to add to your braid, and then just carry on braiding as normal to the bottom. It sounds quite complicated when you try and say it and explain it, but it's actually a lot more simple than what it looks and sounds. So now I'm doing the exact same thing on the opposite side of my head, and then just opening up all the braids with my fingers to make them fuller. Now I'm taking the anti-humidity frizz control hairspray and spraying that all over the look to smooth everything over, and that is it. And then to create this final look, I'm starting with a middle parting again, taking a large section and splitting it into two, then twisting the right section over the left one, then twisting the right section over the left again, then this time grabbing some hair that was not in the original sections and adding it to the right one before twisting it around the left section again. So you just want to carry on adding hair and twisting the right section over the left one until you've reached about shoulder length, and then just carry on normally twisting the hair and then just tie it off with a hair elastic. You want to repeat that exact same process on the opposite side of your head. Once you've twisted both sides, grab them up and hair grip them to your head so they almost kind of meet in the middle. Next, you want to take another hair elastic and pull it halfway down the leftover strands which we didn't kind of put in that twist, and then just gather the rest of it up into a bun shape. Then you want to do the exact same on the opposite side again. Now I'm just pulling out a few strands near my face, and then I'm taking the Extreme Freezehold hairspray and spraying it all over to lock the hairstyle in place, and that is the final look. I really hope you liked this video and that it helped you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it, because that would really mean a lot to me. Have a great day as always, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.